you guys smell smoke right now? I smell smoke. There's like a bunch of fires and stuff. And then look at this top part of this tree fell over, this palm tree.
Hello guys, it's already been an eventful day. The kids are home from school, but today's been like a high wind warning over here. It's like super windy. We also had like a power outage in the morning.
Nobody else had it.
Yeah, just like our block right here. How the neighbors and stuff had it. But now it's dinner time. The kids are back from school obviously, and we got karate. First day of karate back today. And Annie's at work, and I'm trying to get them food. Uriah does not like ramen before karate. How come?
Because I'm too full.
He's too full. So I'm going to make him bacon mac and cheese,
So
triple cheese. I don't know about that. And then PJ's having ramen. So I'm boiling water for PJ. He's going to have the Shin ramen. Uriah's having bacon with triple cheese mac and cheese. Bacon is so greasy. I'm going to give him only a couple. And I'm going to have a few of these bacons. Extra bacon, extra cheese.
What? Ordinary house, but that's far from the truth. Watch until the end.
Good?
From the background.
Steaming hot ramen for PJ. Well, your fork is probably going to be burning hot too.
Yeah.
How's the ramen?
Good.
Not too hot?
It's pretty hot.
PJ didn't want any egg in his. I'm surprised you even were able to take any bites, man. It's like so hot. Is it finally cool enough for you yet? Is it better with the egg?
Yeah.
Why didn't you want an egg?
I didn't want to make you too much trouble.
There's no problem. You just crack an egg in there. How is it? Good?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I just got home. Uriah's having some of my leftover chicken katsu. I bought Power some garlic spread to eat with his rotisserie chicken, and of course some pita bread. I'm actually looking forward to that. I don't know why.
Are you gonna eat some?
Yeah.
Why not?
Yes.
Make me one too.
Bro!
Make it a double.
And then, since I went to the produce store, Uriah, I got you blueberries. And then PJ, I got you a new variety to try.
I asked for blackberries. I got nothing.
They don't have good blackberries. This one is so cute. Can you eat that? Kissabelle. So cute. They had one open, and it looks very pretty inside. So I was like, maybe PJ wants to try this one.
You want a Kissabelle?
You want to try the apple later? Look at this chickeny, garlicky goodness. Here you go.
White meat though.
Yeah. It's okay. Slather some garlic.
Still good.
Back to the grind. Kids got karate. Power went to the library. Break time, water break. Usually on the first day of the session, they don't need to gear up. So you guys gonna have pizza party later? That's nice. Imagine all the new students. They're like, what? Pizza party on the first day? There's a full class today, huh? It is so windy. Of course, when I take out the camera, it stops. Kind of enter a shelter, but it's like super windy. What? See that leaf? You gotta like close your eyes or else dust will go into your eyes. I think class is almost over. Maybe drinking some dirt in there. What a waste. Whoa, jeez. It's tunneling right here?
Yeah.
That's it? You would think with the roof. This will look good. Next, we have our green belts, 3rd degree. So we have PJ and Uriah. Oh. All of these boys have worked very hard. Put your on your side, put your green belt in front of you, grab your green belt, put your green belt on. You guys know how to tie, right? Yes, you should. I think as part of the green belt class, we require them to know how to tie your belt. Of course, you guys should know how to tie it before green belt. Wow, you got a double slice.
We got 2.
Can you guys smell smoke right now? I smell smoke. There's like a bunch of fires and stuff. And then look at this top part of this tree fell over, this palm tree. And now cars have to figure out how to maneuver around it. Oh, it smells like fire. Okay, let me close the door. It does? Yeah. It smells like smoke.
Yeah, I can smell it now. It's like a ghost town. The traffic lights are out. There's power outages everywhere. There's debris everywhere.
I saw a 7-Eleven
Dude,
with
this guy
no
is like
power.
right up on this curb. Yeah, there was a 7-Eleven with no power.
7-Elevens never close, guys.
Oh God, you were right. It is a two-way stop thing.
Yep, PJ was literally asking me today, like, what do you do if there's no power with a Starlight? And I'm like, oh, you just treat it like a 4-way stop.
You just have to be very careful.
What's the
okay?
cop?
Be very.
It probably just
Alert.
went out like not that long ago, PJ. That's probably why there's no
Yeah, you
cop
gotta
out
be
yet.
very alert and just careful. Whew! When we got home, our
fence already came down.
a piece of the fence already came down. Oh man, like a real.
One that was broken, and
The-
then the one next to it.
Just one plank. Oh, just like one board.
Huh?
It's really windy out there. We saw a bunch of like branches fallen, trees falling down. And then our trash bin was like in the middle of the street. And then we have one neighbor to the right that's like next to our driveway. They have like a big palm tree. And I was like, I probably shouldn't park in the driveway today just in case. I think they had more than one palm tree before, but I think they chopped one down. I know they cleared out a bunch of trees in their backyard as well a year or two ago. But yeah, I figured probably wouldn't be too safe to park under that tree tonight, so I parked it outside. Okay guys, come on, shower.